United Nations Security Council welcomed major achievement in Libya as milestones. Iran plays an effective role to restore peace, stability, and rule of law in the region. Time running out for Indian worker trapped since glacier disaster. At least 2 people were killed and 6 others were injured in 3 separate blasts in Kabul. Prime Minister Imran Khan has assured to fully support and provide social protection to the poor segment of the society. Myanmar protested back on street despite police violence. WHO mission member says don't rely on US coronavirus intelligence. UN expert urges the international community to support ICC's Palestine-Israel ruling.